Yeah, man. So this could get real interesting as I was telling you guys in the last video, man. That Cavs Celtics trade is in jeopardy, and I'm gonna say this too. Cavs fans, the Celtics fans may have disrespected Isaiah Thomas way too soon, because you're gonna have a very, very, very toxic situation if the Cavs reject this trade. Now, as we all know, the Cavs have concerns reportedly following the physical of Isaiah Thomas. He missed the last 3 games of the Eastern Conference Finals last year with a hip injury. Danny Ainge said he was concerned about that injury, but the Cavs still went ahead and made the trade. Now, that looks like it might be in jeopardy, according to many reports, because of Isaiah Thomas's physical. Now, Isaiah Thomas didn't have surgery, like I said before, and this all goes back to the Celtics organization, their fans, all of this stuff. Now, a guy who put everything out there on the line for you guys may have to come back because the trade is rejected, and you've already disrespected this guy. As an organization, as fans, you know, there's no way in the world if I'm Isaiah Thomas, get the hell out the way, man. There's no way in the world if I'm Isaiah Thomas that I want to go back to that situation. There's no way, man. There's no way. After you've been disrespected, you gave everything you had, you played after your sister passed away, man, and put all that on the line for the organization, and you still ain't getting no respect. They ain't let you go in dignity. They still traded you, and the fans still burned your jersey and talked down about you. And now they might have to eat all that. So what the Boston Celtics gonna say? What, y'all gonna be back on them now? Oh, Isaiah's you the best now? Nah, the writing was on the wall. They didn't want to give the guy the max deal next summer. All that was on the wall, man. It's all in the open now. We see what's going on now, and that's what it is, man. I'm gone.